Hey, what's up? Andrew Keen, President and CEO of AlphaShark.com. And today's Bitcoin news of the day for 12/6/2017. Not really much to say. Another new all-time high. This has taken me by surprise. And the more that the price goes higher up until the date futures are launched, the more I believe that when the futures get launched, it's going to go down. So I could be completely wrong. I was wrong about this at 10,500. But, I mean, we talk about this, anything in this world is a supply demand curve between buyers and sellers, and they just continue to buy a Bitcoin, 13,440. And if you also look at little things that are a little interesting here, Ethereum, I just went in the last video, I told my buddy to sell it at 471, so it's down $38. That's about 8%. Okay, so as Bitcoin makes new all-time highs, usually the coin should run up with it. They're buying Bitcoin and they're selling everything else, which is really, really weird here. Litecoin sitting at the $100 level. I promised you guys today I was going to show you my portfolio, my basket, but let's just go into CoinMarketCap real quick and see what we got going on. IOTA got up to 5.5. I'm still long IOTA from 44 cents. I did not sell any at $5. I still like IOTA. This could be 2018, could be the year of IOTA. I'll be looking to buy IOTA any pullback. $1.50 would be a nice level, but probably around 270 would be a level where I'm looking to buy back IOTA. Ripple, talked about, I don't like Ripple. I've never liked Ripple. It continues to be 23 cents. It does not move at all. Monero had a big spike higher. If we go to look at a chart of Monero, so we go to Monero, it spiked higher than sold off. Most of the times when these things spike higher than sell off, it will get a continuation buying. So I think around the 180 level is a level to look at as Monero as a longer term trade. 180, 190 should find a lot of support down here. Got up to almost 300, so it's down about 15% from the highs. Big tail on top here. If I was looking for pullbacks here, guys, 180, 140 would be my level of Monero. I think all these will continue to go higher. Dash, Litecoin, Monero as well. As we go through the list, we just start looking. Stellar Luminous, they had a deal with somebody. I don't know what the news was. I think it might have been South Korea. So we see here on the spike higher, once again, buying pullbacks I think is better than buying. So Star USD. And we see the big spike higher. Look to buy back around the 9-cent level. Second buy would be the 5-cent level. Just because something's cheap doesn't mean it can't get cheaper. I was going through a lot of the YouTuber videos, and they had picks under $1, and a lot of those went down by 2/3. So just because it looks cheap doesn't mean it's going to be going up in value. NEO, I do like NEO at the $28 level. It has spiked, and now it's selling off again. NEO is the Ethereum of China. If there's more Chinese news, we should get a sell-off here. I like NEO. I don't like it here. I want to get it around the $28 level. If it goes down to 28 and 26, I will definitely buy NEO. That is a long-term trade. NEO is not one of those ones that's going to spike a lot, but I think it's a good buy in the pullback. Like in stocks when you're always looking to buy pullbacks, I think that is good. So NEO is one I'm looking at here as well on a pullback. We'll continue to go through here. Lisk, I sold all my lists today at 930. Paid 760, so 25% profit. Nothing crazy. Monocoin, I talked about Monocoin at 550, has gone to 1680. Love OMG at 720 as a longer term trade. I was talking to somebody yesterday that was very high on Vertisum. If we look at chart here, this is a crazy chart. And I don't know much about it, but I was with someone that knows cryptos very well yesterday. I trust his opinion. But we see here, wow, 108. He said this. He thinks this thing can go higher than Bitcoin, but it went up to 275. This could be a pump and dump down to 108. At the 108 level, I think we might be decent here. I am not in it yet. I'm not in it at 108. Down 46% today. So let me show you my portfolio here. I promise you guys I'll show you my portfolio. All right. So, sorry. Okay, so here's my portfolio, guys, and I am long, and I just had Dan, Mr. S, buy me Hush. I don't know what price he got into it at. So let's go through the portfolio, kind of update the prices. IOTA, I bought IOTA on September 27th, 1,500. Oh, sorry, Vertcoin. Bought 1,500 Vertcoin at 927 at 102. I sold out half at 550 on the 29th. Have half left, 940. I think it's about 890 now. So we'll just adjust the P&L here. IOTA had 2,846 cents. Sold half at $1.50, up to about 406 here. As you can see, the P&L fluctuating here. Golem, unchanged. ZRX, change. I sold my Lisk. So let me go into here and insert. So this is closed. And I'm not a financial advisor, cannot give financial advice. I closed it at 9:30. So $638 profit here. And NMIQ, I just got into this one at 135. And I also did buy some Hush and some Radian. I don't know the levels because I do not take care of any of this. My business partner takes care of all the buy levels. So I bought Radian. And Radian actually sold off to about 260 here. So let me go to Radian real quick. Radian network. Price. I don't know what price I got into it, so I will find that out. It's at 298, 289, 282. So I'm looking to buy Radian too. So here's my portfolio, guys, of everything that I've done, and I'll show you guys this every day. This is something I'm back testing here on the bottom strategy, fallen angels and market leaders. So don't have to worry about that. Let me just move that down. That's something I'm looking to look at historical data on. So here's everything I bought on the 27th. Sold out half of these two only. Still have these. ZRX I still like longer term. Golem I still like longer term. And here's my total P&L. So I turned $4,000 into $20,000 plus or minus. Plus I made $600 in Lisk. So I'm up to about about 17,000 in profit. So I've turned 4,000 into 21,000. And then I just bought NMIQ. Hush and Radian. So this is Andrew Keen, President and CEO of acryptoshark.com. We'll go through the portfolio every day, guys. I'll update the prices live in front of you. But so far, so good. Vertcoin and IOTA have been beasts. NMIQ, Hush, and Radian are the ones I'm getting along. Thanks, guys. We'll run it back.